Alright, power of 10. Better. Here's what you do for power of 10. This is just a nice little trick to allow you to multiply with powers of 10 very quickly in your head. And so here's the answer. Can you see what I did? Here it is again. And here it is one more time. The basic idea is this. If you have a whole number times a power of 10, all you're going to do is take that 0 and give it to that whole part. If you have two zeros, you'll take them both and give it to those two. These three, you give them as well. So I want you to try 55 times, let's do 550 times 100. I went off to the side there. Let's try that again. 550 times 100, what would you get? Exactly, 550, and then you take those two and you add them on. Alright, that's the power of 10. Alright, now with decimals, it's just an extension. So what you're going to do is give this 0 to this number. And what it does is it causes that decimal just to move over. It's 23.6. I know you don't see that, but if you had 2 times 10, that would be 20. So if you had a decimal here, it just moved over 1. So, here, how many zeros? 2. So we take and we move the decimal over to 1, 2. And we get 1486.9. 1,486 and 9/10. Alright? Give it a shot for these two. Don't do the divisions yet. Hit pause now. And those are the answers you should have gotten. 110 on the second one, so we only move it over one time. 4 zeros, or 4 tens on the second one, so we move it over 4 times the decimal. And then there you go. Alright, let's try division. Well, if you look at it, with multiplication we move the decimal to the right. Which way is bigger if you have a number line? That way is bigger. Well, which direction is smaller? There you go. And that's the direction you're going to move the decimal. For every single 0, you move it to the left 2 if you're dividing. So it goes right there. So the answer would be point, and you got to fill in with a 0 right there. So give it a shot with those. Hit pause now. And there you go. There are your answers. So it's a nice little trick, huh?